come to the market over this past week than expected at this time of year. This is great for buyers because buyers are still looking to buy a house before the end of this year. It's Friday, November 5th, 2021. I'm Kimberly Barton of Kinetic Realty, your local market expert with this week's Maryland Market Minute. Here's the inventory activity snapshot. 915 homes are coming soon, and this is down. 1,855 homes came to the market since last report, which reflects more new listings for sale. 1,001 went under contract. This is up again this week. 1,628 are temporarily off the market. 1,524 moved to pending. 2,651 closed, and this is up 25%. The highest priced property to close over this past week was an Ocean City custom new build home on Assawoman Bay for $4,395,000. Rental inventory is creeping up and is at 1,286 units at $2,372 per month. That's your Maryland Market Snapshot for Friday, November 5th. Be sure to save the date for our upcoming Black Friday shopping fundraiser to benefit the Annapolis Lighthouse Shelter and all the good things that they do for those in need of housing and their job training program. Visit our website at www.kineticrealtyinc.com and click on the link for Black Friday. Thank you so much for tuning in. I'll see you next Friday. Take care.